Anunaka Farm, it's about 66,000 acres. Today we are harvesting canola. In this paddock we've got 13 headers, 4 chaser bins and 2 mother bins. I believe XL Farm's got 7, 4 in Victoria, 1 in SA, 2 in Western Australia, and they've actually just took over 1 in New South Wales, so 8 farms. I basically help lead a team of 7 full-time staff members throughout the year to put the crop in. That's including spreading, spraying, looking after the crops to get it to this point. Then we actually get a lot of backpackers in to give us a hand. So at the moment we have 31 staff on farm plus 10 truck drivers. Working for XL is really good. Even though we are a corporate farm, it does have a very family feel to it. The difference between a family farm and a corporate farm being this size is probably you've got a lot more people you got to look after. So the farm I was currently off, it was only the owner and myself working. Now we've got 7 full-times plus myself on the farm, so there is a lot more responsibility.
Today we have 11 headers out in the paddock working. It's probably one of our biggest operations that we run during the season as far as the amount of headers at one job. So a typical day for me basically starts anywhere from 3 o'clock onwards, servicing machines, and then basically sit and wait for something to break down if and when it does. As farm machinery is, it's very unpredictable. So my role here is to communicate with the managers, manage the team, and also fix any breakdowns that do arise. This is my 3rd year working with XL, and they've been really good to work with. Very easy to communicate with and willing to help with anything. So yeah, we really enjoy our time at XL.
My role here is to test all the trucks as they come through from the paddock. When the truck pulls up, there's a small sort of balcony outside and the truck will pull up. We will take a sample from both trailers of the truck if it's a road train, just ensuring we get a good distribution from our vacuum extractor. Once we've taken that, we will bring it in here and we will start testing. The main things we do is test weight, and then if it's canola, which we are currently harvesting, we'll then run it through the grain analyzer behind me, and that will then give us the moisture and oil content, and then we'll assess those against the standards that we have. Today we were waiting for the moisture content of the canola to come down because it was above our standard, which is 8%. Very important that we actually wait until we hit the standard, because this is then what the grain or canola, etc. is then sold on.
My business is transport, and we're here to load canola to take to Tailem Bend to Viterra. And Tailem Bend's about 220 kilometres away from here, so we'll load about 62 tonne of canola and take it to Tailem Bend. The XL Farms is just something that you don't see every day of the week. Just that they're so big in volume, turnover, machinery, everything that's here is just next level.